Act as best script write and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content, and remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 37. Asus ROG Ally. 2. The console killer is coming soon. YouTube https www.youtube.com watch VKX I4N9CWNGG0 transcript 0 ta Z0. Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone, where we break down the hottest innovations in gaming and tech, bringing you the latest leaks, hardware reviews, and in-depth insights. Today, we're diving deep into the next-G handheld gaming beast, the Asus ROG Ally 2, a device that's stirring up the gaming community and may very well redefine what it means to game on the go. 024. If you're a fan of the Steam Deck, Lenovo Legion Go, or even the Nintendo Switch 2 rumors, this is a video you won't want to miss. The rise of the ROG Ally series. After the impressive performance of the original ROG Ally, Asus is back with a vengeance. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to feature a massively upgraded AMD Ryzen APU, potentially a custom Z1 Extreme refresh, or a new Phoenix series chip. Azuroid 50. This means even better frame rates, less heat, and power efficiency that's off the charts. Expect seamless 8AA gaming Starfield, Cyberpunk 2077, and Elden Ring running smoothly with boosted performance and dynamic resolution scaling, whether docked or in handheld mode. Display and build upgrades. Asus is expected to push the boundaries again with a vibrant 1080p AMOLED display, higher refresh rate support, and even slimmer bezels to enhance immersion. Eero 121. If you're into visual clarity, fluid motion, and minimal latency, the ROG Ally 2 could easily outshine the Steam Deck OLED. Build-wise, expect a lighter, more ergonomic design, refined controls, and better cooling, possibly through vapor chamber. Cooling tech. Windows gaming. Reimagined running on Windows 11 out of the box, the ROG Ally 2 offers a full desktop experience, modding games, running emulators, or using Xbox Game Pass, and Steam is easier than ever. 158. You're not tied to a locked ecosystem. This is freedom at your fingertips. It's essentially a high-performance PC in your pocket. Enhanced battery life. One of the biggest complaints with the first-gen Ally was battery life, but Asus has reportedly addressed this with a larger battery, improved thermals, and intelligent power management software. 0218. Imagine a device that delivers powerful gaming and still lasts through your daily commute or travel sessions. Why? It's the ultimate console killer when compared to handheld rivals like the Steam Deck OLED, Lenovo Legion Go, or upcoming competitors like Eokun. The ROG Ally 2 stands out thanks to its premium build, cutting-edge chipset, and full Windows. Flexibility. 0244. It's not just a gaming handheld. It's a portable powerhouse that could challenge both home consoles and gaming laptops. Whether you're into competitive FPS games, emulation, or indie gems, this device adapts to your needs. Final thoughts. If you've been waiting for the ultimate handheld Windows gaming experience, the Asus ROG Ally 2 is shaping up to be a true console killer. 0306. It brings together power, portability, and versatility in one sleek package. And it's ready to shake up the gaming market in 2025. Hit that like button if you're excited. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you Team ROG Ally or sticking with the Steam Deck? And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech content. Right here on Techno Trend Zone 327 Music.